Hi, Dr. Nitin here. I make organizations super efficient by using Microsoft 365 platform and Copilot. This video is for IT and compliance teams. I'm going to show you how you can get a list of all the prompts given across all users in the organization by using the Purview or compliance portal. I'm going to use premium eDiscovery, but you can also use the standard one. These are the benefits of analyzing Copilot prompts across the organization. Convert common use cases to best practices and teach those to all potential beneficiaries. That's the best way of amplifying the impact of Copilot. So let's start with the Purview or compliance portal in Microsoft 365. We are going to use the eDiscovery module. In order to use this, you need specific permissions. eDiscovery Manager or eDiscovery Administrator. You can learn more about it. Link is given in the description. You have to create the eDiscovery case. I'm going to use the premium functionality. After you save the case, you have to specify the search condition. I'm going to take all the tenant-wide sources, but we are only interested in the mailboxes because all the Copilot interaction behind the scenes is happening in some kind of hidden exchange mailboxes. Now we need to add the search condition. We have to choose type equal to Copilot activity. And now run the query. It will show you some samples and then you can refine the query if required. It will take some time to finish the search. Once it is ready, click on the Add to Review Set button. Take the defaults, add to review set. Again, it is going to take some time. And when it is finished, you will see the review set ready. Double click on the review set, choose Open Review Set. And finally, you will actually see the log of all Copilot activity. Right now in this result set, I have around 32,000 plus items. I want to reduce them. So I want to filter it based on what is called as file class. There are two types of entries here, the actual prompt, and there are separate entries for attachments or file references. I don't want those. And add a filter condition where file class is conversation, which basically means Copilot prompt. So now we have reduced the output to just 1,300 items, which we can investigate and learn from. The next step is to minimize the columns. Click on Customize and just choose file type, date, and subject or title. Subject or title is the actual prompt. The whole prompt can be long and it is not shown in this column. When you click on it, the separate pane will open and show the entire Copilot activity. So these are the broad steps of getting the entire log of Copilot activity. I'm sure you found this useful. So share it with as many people as you can, your friends, colleagues, and your professional network. So that's it for now. See you next time.